guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm at the farm. Internet is very important for me because as you all know, I upload lots of videos on YouTube and other social media, and shooting in 4K and uploading 4K videos, you need really high speed internet. And this is a village far away from a city. There are no broadband connections, there are no cable internet. You have to rely on 4G, and 4G upload speed, what I checked, was like very less, and for me to upload video would be a tough task. I was actually a few months back, I was going through the Starlink website, and I was trying to find out when we will get it in India, and I had actually registered with them to notify me when this location gets the Starlink service, or they are planning to get the Starlink service. And 2 days back I got a mail saying that okay, this area is going to be covered with Starlink internet. Starlink is Elon Musk's service of internet through the satellite. So they would be giving a sort of some devices like the antenna, dish antennas, to download and upload data, and it would be of quite good speed, like up to 50 or 100 Mbps, which would be very good for me or people like me who want to use the internet in remote villages or places where you don't have cable network. 2 days back I applied for the connection, and I am informed that it will take another 1 year. 2022 they would be ready to give service to me. They usually would be sending a kit which would be a dish antenna, and I need to fix it in this location, and I can access internet. That's what the service is all about. Maybe I have to pay some yearly charges, or I don't know exactly. I know nothing about that. I have been reading some news recently, but before that I had got the paid $100, not $100, $99, and booked the service. Anybody knows anything much, or anybody from any other part of the world using the service can share their experience of Starlink or satellite internet. See, for me it's very important to have good connectivity, and I feel it would take another few years for me to get a good, maybe 5G would be working great. I don't know about 5G, how soon it will come to this place. This is a village about 40 kilometers, not 40, around 20-25 kilometers from Mysore. Maybe it may come, but I can have an option to try a satellite internet service also. Airtel has already started testing, or they were showing some demo of the 5G, and 5G, the speeds are really terrific. iPhone 12 Pro, yes, it has 5G. It has 5G enabled. So let's see, even if 5G comes fast, then I can use the 5G, and otherwise I can use the satellite internet. I understand that I would be given the connection early because I have enrolled for the beta program. SpaceX has launched thousands of satellites. He's a madman, man. Thousands of satellites which would cover each and every part of the earth to provide internet services. Amazing, right? It's taken like risk to do this, and there should be people to take the risk or take up challenges like this and bring in new things for the people, right? Every place or every village in this earth to be getting access to broadband internet from the satellite, it would be a great thing. The penetration of 4G was so fast in India. That was the reason why our mobile internet usage in India, the internet users in India had grew so fast. Hopefully 5G also happens something, but I don't know, there would be a lot of challenges for the handsets, and the cost, I don't know. Let's hope so. So guys, that's all I know about the Starlink internet service, satellite internet service, which is going to make really revolution, especially countries where broadband connectivity has low penetration. So let's see. And for me, I think it would be really interesting to have it in this village and use it for whatever I need to do. I'll keep you guys updated if I get any kind of intimation or anything, and if I receive the kit I can share it with you guys. So that's all for now. Hope to come up with some other details very soon.